This video is designed to help you to foster a disciplined, professional mindset to help you in your journey as a successful trader. Each affirmation will be said twice, followed by a space for you to either repeat the affirmation out loud or in your head. Let's begin. I am a consistently profitable trader. I am a consistently profitable trader. I generate an income I can rely on. I generate an income I can rely on. I am a consistent winner. I am a consistent winner. I identify my edge. I identify my edge. I am mindful, patient, and focused. I am mindful, patient, and focused. I predefine my risk and I plan the trade. I predefine my risk and I plan the trade. I have a series of trades perspective. I have a series of trades perspective. I think in probabilities. I think in probabilities. I trade the best and I leave the rest. I trade the best and I leave the rest. I always follow my trading rules. I always follow my trading rules. I protect my account above all else. I protect my account above all else. If there are no trading opportunities, I walk away. If there are no trading opportunities, I walk away. I earn and protect my capital. I earn and protect my capital. I follow my strategy. I follow my strategy. I am a magnet for wealth. I am a magnet for wealth. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of abundance. I am successful. I am successful. I have confidence in my abilities. I have confidence in my abilities. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am calm. I am calm. I am focused. I am focused. I am a disciplined trader. I am a disciplined trader. I am loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance. I am loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance.